Hi, welcome back. I'm your palmist and psychological counselor Akhila Murthy. Hope you and your family and your loved ones are doing well and safe. Lines on the palm are not permanent, they can change. What factors alter the change of lines on the palm? As I mentioned in my previous videos, the factors are lifestyle changes, change in mindset, and so on. But there is one more important factor that I would like to talk about in this video, and that is parihara. Parihara means remedy or a cure. Just like in astrology, a horoscope clearly displays the position of grahas and its impact on an individual. Similarly, our hand also represents the planetary positions. In palmistry as well, it is possible to figure out the malefic or a negative influence of the graha just by analyzing the palm. For every malefic influence or imbalance of planetary energy, there is a parihara. Before we dive into the details of the pariharas, let us see why there is an imbalance of energies in the first place. We are humans. We could make mistakes knowingly or unknowingly. We suffer due to our temptations, temperaments, and trouble in this life, and even from our past life karma. This comes up in the form of negative influences as lines on our palms. This can be understood as an imbalance and can be helped by remedies. Remedies can help strengthen or weaken a planet. It's like a prescription given by an expert based on the diagnosis. Let's take an example. Planet Jupiter or Guru Graha is the Karaka of knowledge, ambition, religiousness, determination, self respect. Just like the shloka, Guru Jnanam, Guru Gauravam. So, if the Jupiter mount has defective lines, then it will result in blocking the positive energy of the planet to work on the person. In this case, a remedy will remove the blockage and regain its energy. There are three popular types of remedies like Mani, Mantra, and Aushadha. But over time, Mudra has gained importance as an additional effective remedy. So, in this episode, I will give an overview of Mani, Mantra, and Mudra remedies. Through the dawn of history, gemstones have been thought to carry talismanic value. The Navagraha concept is specifically popular in Vedic astrology. According to this, each gemstone represents a certain planet, and based on the strength or weakness of the planet in the palm, a gemstone is recommended to either strengthen or pacify the planet's effect. For example, if mount of sun is underdeveloped or the sun finger is defective, the gemstone remedy recommended would be ruby. While the Hindu Vedic astrology believes in the theory of fate, it also advocates that you can make efforts to improve your destiny and counteract your fate by performing various remedies like pujas, chanting of shlokas, japa, etc. For instance, Mahamrutyunjaya mantra japa is suggested when people have a blood pressure attack or when children are seriously unwell. However, one thing is sure, these remedies slowly wash away the negative karmic influences and improve the positive effects. By performing these pujas, japa, or constant chanting, your troubles may not vanish totally, but the intensity of trouble is reduced and you get the inner strength to face them with courage and confidence. A mudra in Sanskrit means a seal, a mark, or a gesture. It is a symbolic or a ritual gesture in Hinduism and Buddhism. While some mudras involve the entire body, most are performed with the hands and fingers. The physical body is made up of five elements, namely air, water, fire, earth, and akasha or the atmosphere. Imbalance of these elements disrupt the immunity system and is the root cause for all human diseases, both mental as well as physical. Ancient sages found out that deficiency in any one of these elements can be corrected through mudras. When a finger representing an element is brought into contact with the thumb, the element is brought into balance. Therefore, the disease caused by the imbalance is cured. Mudras start electromagnetic currents within the body, which balances various constituting elements and restore health. The joining of fingers create an effect on the human body. Amongst the pariharas, I have mentioned that Anguli Mudra is very interesting and unique. Why is that? These mudras have a direct connection or they influence the bodily organs. For example, let's take the most important organ, the heart. Ganesha Mudra is recommended as this mudra stimulates heart activity, strengthens heart muscles, and releases any type of tension in this area. It also gives us courage, confidence, and openness towards other human beings. So, for every problem, there is a solution. And the palm is a clear reflection of your well being. So, it is important to implement these remedies or pariharas in your daily routine. I would like to quote the famous line, prevention is better than cure. And palmistry helps to detect such problems and provide appropriate pariharas for the same. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.